a message from Estacada School District. Schools are conducting an emergency closure beginning at 9:45. Pick up your child if possible. We will also be running bus routes. Elementary and secondary will go on the same route. If you need to adjust your child's pickup plan, message your child's school via Parent Square. Phone lines are down.
Oh, call.
Now repeat. To end this call, please hang up. Schools are conducting an emergency closure beginning at 9:45. Pick up your child if possible. We will also be running bus routes. Elementary and secondary will go on the same route. If you need to adjust your child's pickup plan, message your child's school via Parent Square. Phone lines are down.
Call, but phone lines are down.
Yeah.
Silly. Isn't that something? Yep. I told you. I'm so glad I had the kids stay home. So glad, because I had a feeling this was going to be a pretty strong storm. And it is. It says we have power, so... It's 18. Okay, power's out for 18. Anyway, yikes.
Gusty winds to the coast has been tracking some wind speeds around 50 miles per hour. In Portland, we've seen a wind gust close to 30. So it is a blustery start here.
I have
look
it
at our
on
forecast. If you're
Ventusky's.
stepping outside, it will be a blustery morning for you. But those showers should taper by the afternoon, some drier moments. So a better time later today. I think much of the area should remain fairly dry here around Portland and even across the valley. We'll still be breezy at times, but the second half of the day better for a walk. Say good morning to Gust, to one of the cutest puppies here on the Pet Walk forecast. Thank you. The pup here of a friend of a friend. You can always send in your photos to coin.com/weather. Our satellite and radar, heavy rain showers now pushing back into Portland. It's a soggy start out there. And today we may pick up another 0.2 of an inch of rain. The coastline could see another 0.5 inch of rain. Astoria, the bullseye of a lot of this rain, seeing over 5 inches just yesterday, a new record for that area. And that has caused widespread flooding of rivers and even some roadways. We're still going to watch those concerns today, but do expect to see some of the roadways out towards the coastline still flooding. Take a look at this system here. It is starting to work out the door, that nice plume of moisture, that atmospheric river impacting areas of Northern California, still bringing us some rain across Oregon as well. Again, rain totals, a record for Astoria, over 5 inches yesterday. Beating, had some into our rain gauge. Up in the mountains, we've been tracking too. And again, in Portland, we saw mostly around 0.5 inch of rain. And today, we could still add some into our rain gauge. Up in the mountains,
Beating a
record for Astoria, over 5 inches. Again, rain totals, a record for Astoria, over 5 inches yesterday. Beating a 100-year-old record too.
Here's when I got trapped behind. I heard some trees crashing, and then I heard this weird bam. Well, it was a tree falling on a car and trapping a family. So I went to go see what it was all about. Oh, God, that tree would have fallen on us. And I kind of got scared, and then I moved my car just a few feet. And it's a good thing I did, because the tree fell right behind. Oh, my God. Trapped us. They're rotten.
There wasn't any wind, and the tree just fell.
It was rotten. And that's an area that really concerns me. So I went to go get my tree my car after the winds had died down, but the road is covered with limbs. You ever seen a road? That's our road. That's a powerful storm to have that much debris all over your street. Yeah, it's kind of scary. Dangerous driving. Trees do hit people's cars.
Right behind my car. Look at
Sorry. Bumpy, bumpy. Have you ever seen a street so littered with limbs?
Pretty bad. Leaving my car there because the guys told me that it was too dangerous.
Took a I had to have people with a chainsaw to cut up the trees so I could move my car.
And then they undid the tree, but I left my car there because of all the crashing.
Wish I could fly my drone right now. It's too windy, and my drone's still getting fixed. Okay, so the winds have died down, and things are getting better.